Shalom and welcome to Learn Hebrew Now. Today we're focusing on a small but mighty word, the preposition lamed. This preposition is incredibly versatile in Hebrew, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it in different contexts. So, without further ado, let's begin. The preposition lamed is primarily used to indicate direction or purpose. It can mean to or for, depending on the context. Let's explore these uses with some examples. Let's start with the use of lamed to say to. For example, to say to Tel Aviv, you will add lamed to the beginning of Tel Aviv, and that will become to Tel Aviv, le Tel Aviv. To say I'm traveling to Tel Aviv, as a male, say אני נוסע לתל אביב. I נוסע am traveling לתל אביב, to Tel Aviv. To say I'm going to a friend of mine, as a male, say אני הולך לחבר שלי. I הולך am going לחבר to a friend שלי, of mine. To say it belongs to my friend when that friend is a male, say זה שייך לחבר שלי. זה, it, שייך, belongs, male, לחבר, to a friend, שלי, of mine. Now, let's see some examples for the use of lamed to say for. To say I bought books for the children, say קניתי ספרים לילדים. קניתי, I bought, ספרים, books, לילדים, for the children. You will notice that the lamed here is with patach, which becomes la. And that's because we are talking about specific children, and therefore we are supposed to have hey hayedi'ah. In this case, hey hayedi'ah and the lamed are combined, and it becomes la. To say I bought flowers for my mom, say קניתי פרחים לאמא שלי. קניתי, I bought, פרחים, flowers, לאמא, for mom, שלי, of mine. To say I cooked a meal for the family, say בישלתי ארוחה למשפחה. בישלתי, I cooked, ארוחה, a meal, למשפחה, for the family. Now, let's see how lamed interacts with pronouns. Hebrew combines lamed with pronouns to create words like for me or to me, for you or to you, and so on. Let's go over them. The word for to me or for me is li. Li, which is a combination of lamed with ani, which means I. To you or for you, when referring to a singular male, is lecha. Lecha, which is a combination between lamed and ata. To say to you or for you, when referring to a singular female, say lach. Lach, which is a combination between lamed and at. To say To him or for him, say lo. Lo, which is a combination between lamed and hu. To say to her or for her, say la. La, which is a combination between lamed and he. To say to us or for us, say lanu. La-nu, which is a combination between lamed and אנחנו. To say to you or for you, when referring to plural males, say לכם. לכם, which is a combination between lamed and אתם. To say for you or to you, when referring to plural females, say לכן. לכן, which is a combination between lamed and אתן. To say for them or to them, when referring to males, say להם. להם, which is a combination between lamed and hem. To say for them or to them, when referring to females, say להן. להן, which is a combination between lamed and hen. Now, let's see some examples for the use of lamed to say to. To say, he gave me a book, say הוא נתן לי ספר. הוא, he, נתן, gave, singular male, לי, to me, ספר, a book. To say, I'm writing you a message, as a male speaking to a male, say אני כותב לך הודעה. אני, I, כותב, am writing, singular male, לך, to you, הודעה, a message. To say, I want to give you something, as a male speaking to a female, say אני רוצה לתת לך משהו. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, לתת, to give, לך, to you, משהו, something. To say, I gave him a good advice, say נתתי לו עצה טובה. נתתי, I gave, לו, to him, עצה, advice, טובה, good, singular female. To say, I told her the truth, say אמרתי לה את האמת. אמרתי, I told, לה, to her, את האמת, the truth. To say, we don't have time today, say, אין לנו זמן היום. אין, there isn't, לנו, to us, זמן, time, היום, today. To say, I will explain everything to you when referring to plural males, say, אני אסביר לכם הכל. אני, I, אסביר, will explain, לכם, to you, הכל, everything. To say, I brought you some pictures, when referring to plural females, say הבאתי לכן תמונות. הבאתי, I brought, לכן, to you, תמונות, pictures. To say, I explained the rules to them when speaking about males, say הסברתי להם את החוקים. הסברתי, I explained, להם, to them, את החוקים, the rules. To say, they don't have time today when speaking about females, say אין להן זמן היום. אין, there isn't, להן, to them, זמן, time, היום, today. Now, let's see examples for the use of lamed to say for. To say, they saved a seat for me, say הם שמרו לי מקום. הם, they, שמרו, saved, plural males, לי, for me, מקום, a place. To say, I cooked a meal for you, when speaking to a singular male, say בישלתי לך ארוחה. בישלתי, I cooked, לך, for you, ארוחה, a meal. To say, I bought flowers for you, when speaking to a female, say קניתי לך פרחים. קניתי, I bought, לך, for you, פרחים, flowers. To say, she bought him a book, say היא קנתה לו ספר. היא, she, קנתה, bought, singular female, לו, for him, ספר, a book. To say, he built a house for her, say הוא בנה לה בית. הוא, he, בנה, built, singular male, לה, for her, בית, a house. To say, they saved a spot for us, say הם שמרו לנו מקום. הם, they, שמרו, saved, plural males, לנו, for us, מקום, a spot. To say, I brought you something interesting, when speaking to plural males, say הבאתי לכם משהו מעניין. הבאתי, I brought, לכם, for you, משהו, something, מעניין, interesting, singular male. To say, I bought something for you, when speaking to plural females, say קניתי לכן משהו. קניתי, I bought, לכן, for you, משהו, something. To say, I made them coffee, when speaking about males, say הכנתי להם קפה. הכנתי, I made, להם, for them, קפה, coffee. To say, I made them a surprise. When speaking about females, say הכנתי להן הפתעה. הכנתי, I made, להן, for them, הפתעה, a surprise. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And share with me in the comments if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. For now, thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.